Hey Swim Team, it's Johnny. Threat intel isn't a single feed. It's dozens of public, commercial, and open source sources, and SOC Automation Solution is built to leverage them all. Its threat intelligence component can query multiple providers at once, automatically enrich observables from phishing and alert triage, and update your records with each source's verdict. Now, out of the box, we give you connectors, assets, and playbooks for common services, but you're free to add as many providers as you like. You can even set a primary source per observable type, like a domain, IP, or hash, and mix in any others that you need. In our demo today, we'll plug in a new threat intel feed and show how it enriches and prioritizes alerts automatically, proving that you're never really limited to the defaults. As I mentioned, SOC Automation Solution comes with a number of out-of-the-box threat intel providers, such as VirusTotal, Abuse IPDB, or Recorded Future. But let's say that there's another provider that, let's just say that there's another provider that I'd like to use to even further enrich this data that I'm working with. Well, my first instinct would be to build a custom connector for this provider. Give them the IOCs, feed them in, get the JSON body back, and then map that to a record. Luckily though, SOC Automation Solution kind of takes care of that for you already. Using Swimlane's Marketplace, I can go look up an enrich observables component. In this case, we're looking to add Alien Vault as an enrichment provider. With Swimlane's Marketplace, we already have a pre-made component that all I have to do is drag and drop in here and configure. So let's do that real quick. Let's head over to the Marketplace and look up Alien Vault Enrich Observables, and you'll see that we have a component already ready for us. All we have to do is install it. Next, we'll grab our API key, we'll create a new asset, choose the Alien Vault OTX asset, and paste in our API key. Back under Components, we're going to look for SOC Enrich Observable. Here you'll see where we've configured all of our other providers. Drag the newly installed Alien Vault Enrich Observable component into this parallel action here. Make sure that the observable input is correctly mapped to match the other VICs in this enrichment process. You can just check those out by clicking and looking and seeing how they're configured. Next, we'll open up the Alien Vault Enrich Observable component just to make sure the correct asset is assigned to each one of these actions. And the last step to make sure these show up in our application records is to go down to Aggregate Enrichments, and we're just going to add Alien Vault to the bottom of this append. And that's it. Let's test it out. I've sent myself a new alert. I'm going to open up Threat Intelligence, and you can see that Alien Vault now shows up as one of my threat intelligence sources.